Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to determine the amount of salt in cheese. Let's start our experiment. First we need materials. So here are the materials required. First we need a grated cheese sample. I have grated some cheese here. Its weight is about 5 grams. You can use any type of cheese for this experiment. Next we need 50 milliliters of distilled water. We will add this water to the cheese sample and then stir it for some time. After that, we will need a 0.1 normal solution of silver nitrate. This is a standard solution that we will use to titrate our sample. We will also need a 5% solution of potassium chromate indicator. It is available commercially and we will add it to the sample to detect the endpoint. Apart from these chemicals, we will also need a burette, a pipette, 2 conical flasks, a beaker, a glass rod, filter paper, a funnel, lab gloves and goggles. Then add 50 milliliters of warm distilled water to the cheese sample and stir it thoroughly using a glass rod. Make sure that all the salt in the cheese dissolves in water. Keep stirring the mixture for about 10 minutes. Collect the filtrate in another beaker. This filtrate contains the sodium chloride from the cheese sample. Let's now prepare the sample. First, take about 5 grams of grated cheese in a 100 milliliters beaker like this. I have already measured out 5 grams of cheese. Now we will filter this solution because we have to titrate this solution. Also, the tip of the burette is completely filled with the solution. Here I have filled the burette with the solution. Now we will titrate this solution against a standard solution of silver nitrate. So take a clean piece of filter paper and place it on the funnel and place the funnel in the beaker and pour the solution on the filter paper. After that, you will get a solution like this. This process will remove any undissolved particles from the solution and we will get a clear filtrate. Now we will pipette out 5 milliliters of this filtrate into a conical flask. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for getting notifications of all my upcoming videos. If you have any doubts, queries or suggestions, then comment down below. Thanks for watching. Pipette has a mark of 5 milliliters. Make sure you collect exactly 5 milliliters of the filtrate. If you don't have a pipette, you can use a graduated cylinder to measure out 5 milliliters of the filtrate. Now add 1 milliliter of potassium chromate indicator to the solution. You will observe that the solution has turned yellow. Before titration, make sure that the burette is filled with the silver nitrate solution. Now slowly titrate the sample while continuously swirling the flask. Swirling the flask ensures proper mixing of the solutions. At the end point, note down the burette reading in mol. In my case, the burette reading is 6.6 milliliters. Now we will calculate the percentage of sodium chloride in the cheese sample. The formula for the calculation is sodium chloride equals reading of the burette multiplied by normality of silver nitrate solution multiplied by equivalent weight 5.8 for 4 of sodium chloride divided by weight of the sample. In this experiment, the normality of silver nitrate is 0.1 N and the equivalent weight of sodium chloride is 58.4 milligrams. So NaCl equals 6.6 milliliters. 0.1 times 5.84 for 5 grams equals 0.771%. So the percentage of salt in the cheese sample is 0.771%. That's it for this experiment. I hope you have enjoyed this video.